Hello YouTubers, this is Audiobird again. I've had a number of people on the channel wanting to know why I don't record my speakers after I've built them. One of the problems, of course, is the copyright issues when you try to use the kind of music you'd like to. However, I've gone off online and I've found some free music out there, and we're going to show you first how this set of pipe speakers sounds. Now remember that you're hearing the sound of whatever is picked up by the camcorder, so we're dependent upon its quality. Plus you got the ambience of this big room. My shop is about 26 by 30. It's a pretty good sized room. You put these speakers into a smaller room, they sound a lot better on the lower end. But here we go. Let's try some of this freebie music and see what you think about the sound quality. Well, you've heard the pipe speakers. Now let's listen to a set of these little towers that I've built. These are very similar to the tower project that you will find in my YouTube channel. The only difference is the speakers are arranged a little bit differently on the front. So let's listen to these with some free YouTube music. Now let's try it again. This time we're going to try this pair of bipole PVC speakers, which you may recall can be found on the channel. Let's see what these sound like. with the same piece of music we heard previously. Well, I hope that gave you an idea of what the speakers sound like when recorded with the camcorder. In future projects, I'll try to add a little bit of this music, different types, at the end of each project, give you a rough idea of what they sound like. Thank you for your suggestions, and I hope you keep watching our channel on YouTube. Audiobird saying, keep listening, because you never know when the sound's going to end.